Hey, Strognon Army, is Rombo here. Just wanting to try something new. I usually do NASDAQ, the SPY, OTC type stocks. But today I'm going to start doing strong video, maybe just once a week. I go by the weekly charts, and so I thought I'd give it a run and see if you guys like it. If you want me to continue doing it, I'm on Rombo's Charts on YouTube. And with that said, I'd just like to welcome you guys to it. If you like it, give me a like and subscribe if you want. It's just another opinion, and more opinions we have, the better. I normally don't use strong trading view. I usually use my think or swim, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Think or swim, just whatever. But enough about the rambling here. Uh, Here's just that epic run that we had. Up over to 1200, and then we came back down, came back up, and I'm pretty much a simple guy. Trend lines. Yes, I use Fibonacci sometimes, depends on what I'm looking at and what I want to try to get out of the chart. I do have RSI and CCI on here. Typically, I use that for really good buying area. We got close right here, but my idea, my strategy is when the RSI on the 14 is below 30, and at the same time on the CCI 7 is below 100, and only at that time, when both of those are in that area, I buy. And if you notice, it didn't even get here. In the long overarching situation here, we have this long support line right here, and if you notice, we came down, we bounced right off it. And then we had this nice run up. It looks like a head and shoulders, but we had a really big push up, much higher than here. So that it could still fall into a head and shoulders pattern, but I like what I see so far right here. Once we had this run and we started this downtrend here, we're still under the downtrend line. We're at 504 right now, which is really good. We have set up two nice bottoming tails. So the next week is going to be a really big week, and also depending on how we finish here. But even if we come up to 570 and we break this line, that does not mean that the trend is broken. We could very easily what I call straddle. It's very common, and basically what that is kind of we'll have a day where it or a week that comes up and we're above the trend, and then the next week we come down and we're below the trend, and then we're up above and then we're down below, and it's just straddling this downtrend line, and it hypnotizes you. You have this blue day, we're over, and then but then another blue day, we're over, yay, here we go, and then down. Next thing you know, we're down here. So that could happen, but I'm just excited. As long as next week we're above, we're above the 465 area. I'm going to be really excited that we are going to continue in this nice, well supported area. Nice and slow coming up. I don't mind that at all. I'm just going to be sitting there, accumulating while we, do something like this. I'll be happy with any kind of moves like that as long as we stay above that base trend line. I'm not afraid of anything as far as what happens during the week or day to day. Some of you guys are ready to jump off the ledge one minute, and the next minute we're going to the moon type of thing. So I'm a little bit more calm. I like that's what I like about the weekly chart, it just keeps me balanced. And I don't need to look at the chart more than once a week, to tell me what's going on with it. I got other things to do. I don't have to look at the charts all day long. So with that said, guys, hope you liked the video, and give me a like, subscribe. That would be great. And let me know your comments. And stay strong, strong node army.